Hey guys, if you have one of these iKamper Ironman 1300 style tents, I've got a really good mattress option for you guys. If you really don't feel like carrying a blower with you, a little compressor to inflate and deflate these, there's a lot of different ones on the market, but this one here is very, very handy for these here. It self-inflates, it also self-deflates. It's a memory foam, and it also deflates itself. Let me show you how easy this is. Okay, it has a little control panel here, and this is USB chargeable too. So if you charge it up here, let me remove the mattress here real quick, or the sheet, so I can see it a little better. Okay, so all you got to do to inflate it, flip it this way, it inflates. You want to deflate it. Once it's inflated, you click it back to center. Okay, if you're ready to pack up and go home, bring it back the other way. And it actually deflates. It will completely collapse this within 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It will have this sucked down to where it's only about 3/4 inches thick. So this is a handy little mattress. It's a little bit harder doing this one hand. A nice thing about this thing is, guys, this unit comes out and it is USB chargeable. So you just plug it in. There's a USB Type-C. You just plug that thing in when you're in between, and you can charge it up that way. It's ready to go at any given time. So this thing is very handy, man. I absolutely love it, and the comfort is really good, especially for these rooftop tents. So guys, if you got any questions, let me know. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but I mean, I'm doing it here. So if you guys got any questions, let me know. I'll have a link in this video to where you can buy this on Amazon, and really it's not that expensive. And this right here, it literally collapses and it gets shrinks in length and width. It also comes down to about maybe 3/4 of an inch to an inch. I can leave my bedding and stuff in here, and it all folds up together. So guys, if you got any questions, let me know. Okay guys, well, meanwhile, while we're talking about the pump, I want to give you some feedback and stuff from the reviews that we found online. I don't think it's a problem personally. But some people struggle with getting stuff like this in and out. That's the biggest complaint I've seen on this type of mattress, and this mattress in general, is getting this in and out, because this does have some spring check balls in here that snaps in, and so these have to be pushed in kind of hard to get it to snap into place. There's a travel that these slide on the inside of here, and they have grooves to where those balls will snap into those divots on the back side, and that's how it holds itself in place. Otherwise it would just spring back, because these are check valves inside of here that this pump works off of, and that's how it seals. So this right here will hit the detent to deflate. This will hit the detent, the check valve, to inflate. And it clearly says on here inflate and deflate, so it's pretty hard to get these mixed up. And so this will obviously be the back. This is your front. So when you have this in here, literally it's as simple as just pushing it in. And then pulling it out, it's easiest if I just kind of grab one side and roll it out. This is how I found it to be easiest. But again, it just snaps in, and when it's centered, you're good. You can see how this pushes over and it kicks itself on. You can see this coming up. And this trap door is open, so you can see the check valve under that it pushes on. There's one on each side, one for inflation, one for deflation. So when it hits that, it works really good, guys. Typically, every time I've inflated this, it only takes a couple minutes. Deflating, it does take a little bit of time, because you're creating a vacuum and you're also compressing that foam. That memory foam is very comfortable. I'm 300 pounds, 6'7". I can lay on this all night. It's very, very comfortable. So it's been one of the most comfortable air mattresses I've been on. So guys, if you got any questions, if you want to get one for your tent, there'll be a link on the bottom here to where you can get it. Let me know if you got any questions. All right guys, I wanted to do a video section here to where it shows how much this expands and contracts, how fast it airs up, and how fast it deflates. This right here is fully deflated. As I mentioned, it's only about 3/4 of an inch thick. I mean, it sucks it down really well. This pump works better than I ever imagined it would. You can see how this is the thickest section, and that's just for the pump housing. They also give you this one here too. So God forbid the pump does go bad, it gives you a point here that you can inflate and deflate it if need to be manually. So I mean, this thing will self-inflate just because of the memory foam, and you can manually deflate it just by rolling it up and folding it, and do it like you do a traditional foam mattress. But I want to show you here real quick on how fast this airs up. So I'm going to get the timer going here. Okay, I'm using my wife's phone here to record the time. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I'll set the timer here, and then we'll see how long it takes to inflate. On. Bam. And you can see how this expands out and really fills up this area. This is why I'm able to help keep all my bedding up in here, you know, and it's all in the tent and out of the vehicle. But it's always fun watching this move. Right now we're 24 seconds in, 27 seconds, and it's already almost half full. And this is with our bedding, pillows, sheets, everything on it. So 40 seconds. This will push itself all the way out to the edge. So this mattress here is a very good fit for this tent and ones like it. Okay, we're just minute 5 seconds. You can really see it's pushing out now. It's actually pushing out through the sheets. That sheet just got really tight. And you can tell when this is about done because you'll hear that pump pick up pitch because it can only push and pump so much. And we are done. This is fully inflated. So hit stop. Minute and 39 seconds to fully inflate this bed. So let's see how long it takes to deflate it. Now, this is real time, guys. Here you can see the time for yourself. Minute 39 seconds. Now, what it took to inflate this. So as I mentioned earlier, it's right at 2 minutes. Actually, a little less than 2 minutes. Deflating it will take a little bit longer. So it takes longer to create a vacuum than it does to pressurize it. So let's... Okay, guys, here I want to do a speed check here, test of the air down as well. Just did the one for the inflation. It was under 2 minutes. Actually, it was almost a minute and a half exactly. So let's see how fast this sucks this down from full thickness. As you can see, it fills the entire cavity here from this tent. And then let's see how fast this goes. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to set the timer, and we'll see how fast it deflates. Here we go. And just FYI, guys, full disclosure, I paid for this. This is not given to me. It's not a sponsorship. I paid for this with my own money. So here's the deflate. And you can literally watch it sucking down. And this has already been, that pump has probably done this 5 or 6 times at this point, so it's not on a full charge either. You can see the mattress getting smaller. Right now we are at 36 seconds, 37. And again, this is with pillows up here. This is with our bedding, mattresses, sheets, everything. So this is real time, real world. Okay, so we're just past a minute. It's still deflating. And this is obviously going to take longer because you got to compress that foam. But you can see how much it has shrunk this mattress, both length, and then it's also shrunk it in width as well. So this is how we're able to keep a lot of our bedding and stuff in here, guys, and still have a quality mattress to sleep on. You can see how thin this is already getting. We're really close to being fully aired down and vacuumed down. You can see the ridges here. Okay, we're at 2 minutes. And typically you can hear this pump. It'll change tones when it's no longer pulling any more air. And you can also put your hand here and feel for the airflow. And if you really don't feel airflow, this is as low as it gets. So this thing is pretty much done. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. So it's a little bit slower to start, but you can see right there, 2 minutes 30 seconds, call it 2:15 to deflate. So you can set this up in a minute and a half. You can suck it down and under 2 minutes and a half. So guys, this is a handy mattress. This is a great setup for these tents. So again, we do have an Amazon link in the description below. So if you guys want to purchase one of these for yourself, and here is the brand that it is. And again, I paid for this with my own money. This is not a sponsorship. So guys, if you got any questions, let us know.